Allah has heard the statement of she who argued with you concerning her husband, as she complained to Allah. Allah heard your conversation. Allah is hearing and seeing. Those of you who estrange their wives by equating them with their mothers, they are not their mothers. Their mothers are none else but those who gave birth to them. What they say is evil and a blatant lie, but Allah is pardoning and forgiving. Those who estrange their wives by equating them with their mothers, then go back on what they said, must set free a slave before they may touch one another. To this you are exhorted, and Allah is well aware of what you do. But whoever cannot find the means must fast for 2 consecutive months before they may touch one another. And if he is unable, then the feeding of 60 needy people. This in order that you affirm your faith in Allah and His Messenger. These are the audiences of Allah. The unbelievers will have a painful punishment. Those who oppose Allah and His Messenger will be subdued as those before them were subdued. We have revealed clear messages. The unbelievers will have a demeaning punishment. On the day when Allah resurrects them all and informs them of what they did, Allah has kept count of it, but they have forgotten it. Allah is witness over everything. Do you not realize that Allah knows everything in the heavens and everything on earth? There is no secret counsel between 3, but He is the 4th, nor between 5, but He is the 6th, no less than that, no more, but He is with them wherever they may be. Then on the day of resurrection, He will inform them of what they did. Allah has knowledge of everything. Have you noted those who were prohibited from conspiring secretly, but then reverted to what they were prohibited from? They conspired to commit sin and aggression and defiance of the Messenger. And when they come to you, they greet you with a greeting that Allah never greeted you with. And they say within themselves, why does Allah not punish us for what we say? Hell is enough for them. They will roast in it. What a miserable destiny. O you who believe, when you converse secretly, do not converse in sin and aggression and disobedience of the Messenger, but converse in virtue and piety, and fear Allah, to whom you will be gathered. Conspiracies are from Satan, that he may dishearten those who believe, but he will not harm them in the least, except by leave of Allah. So let the believers put their trust in Allah. O you who believe, when you are told to make room in your gatherings, make room. Allah will make room for you. And when you are told to disperse, disperse. Allah elevates those among you who believe, and those given knowledge many steps. Allah is aware of what you do. O you who believe, when you converse privately with the Messenger, offer something in charity before your conversation. That is better for you and purer. But if you do not find the means, Allah is forgiving and merciful. Are you reluctant to offer charity before your conversation? If you do not do so, and Allah pardons you, then perform the prayer and give alms and obey Allah and His Messenger. Allah is aware of what you do. Have you considered those who befriended a people with whom Allah has become angry? They are not of you, nor of them, and they swear to a lie while they know. Allah has prepared for them a terrible punishment. Evil is what they used to do. They took their oaths as a screen and prevented others from Allah's path. they will have a shameful punishment. Neither their possessions nor their children will avail them anything against Allah. These are the inhabitants of the fire, dwelling therein forever. On the day when Allah will resurrect them all together, they will swear to Him as they swear to you, thinking that they are upon something. Indeed, they themselves are the liars. Satan has taken hold of them, and so has caused them to forget the remembrance of Allah. These are the partisans of Satan. Indeed, it is Satan's partisans who are the losers. Those who oppose Allah and His Messenger are among the lowest. Allah has written, I will certainly prevail, I and my messengers. Allah is strong and mighty. You will not find a people who believe in Allah and the last day, loving those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, even if they were their parents or their children or their siblings or their close relatives. These He has inscribed faith in their hearts and has supported them with the Spirit from Him. And He will admit them into gardens beneath which rivers flow, wherein they will dwell forever. Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with Him. These are the partisans of Allah. Indeed, it is Allah's partisans who are the successful.